Hi friends, welcome to VZ Designer YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create blend effect and fur effect in Adobe Illustrator. Here I just open the Illustrator and I will take one text sample. I just write blend and I just change the text font. I will take Big Ham Script Pro. I want to make these lines in single line. So first I will cut this line here and I will make single line here. I just delete these things. I will take only outer lines. Here I just join these curves. Using my direct selection tool, I just join these curves. And right click and join. Okay, here I have L. I will cut these parts. I just take outer line. I just delete these things. Here we have E and I just cut this portion. Here I delete some anchor points, adjust some these anchor points here. Here we have N. I just cut these 2 points. I just delete upper segment. Here we have D. I just take outer single line. Okay, I got single lines here. Okay, I will take one ellipse. Using shift, you just draw one circle. I fill gradient here. I can change gradient color. You just change some angles in 45 degree and holding alt I just duplicate this and object blend, and here we have blend options and I give the value here 800 and OK and blend and make. I just copy these things, just select both and give blend and replace spline. just select one by one and you give the replace spline. Here we got this effect. I just reverse the spline here. I just adjust text here. Here we have distort and transform inside that roughen tool. Here we have size, I give 40 and details I give 70 and OK. Now I'm going to give fur effect. Here we have roughen. I just give same effect to all the texts. For E also same 40 and 70. Size is 40 and details 70. OK. Make it in center alignment. Okay friends, this is how we can create some blend effect and fur effect to your text. Okay friends, please like the video and share the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, bye, see you, take care.